Hi guys, this is Varun from This Pointer Academy, and in this video we will learn the most amazing feature of dictionaries in Python, that is dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is a concise and efficient way to create a dictionary from an iterable sequence in Python. It helps us to create a dictionary from any iterable sequence. It can be a list, tuple, a dictionary, or any other sequence. Let's discuss about the syntax of dictionary comprehension. So we have an iterable sequence and we want to create a dictionary from this. For that, we can iterate this iterable sequence using a for loop inside a dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension lies between the curly braces, like here in the start and the end. Inside the curly braces, we will iterate over the sequence like this, and for each item in this sequence, we will run a key expression and value expression. These expressions will help us give the key and value for a pair. Inside this key and value expression, we can use the element from iterable sequence. So suppose there are n element in iterable sequence, then this for loop will iterate over all of these n elements one by one, and for each element we will create a pair of key and value using this key value expressions. And this whole dictionary expression returns a dictionary containing all these key value expression created by these expressions. And this dictionary comprehension returns a dictionary containing the key value pairs generated from these key and value expressions while iterating over the sequence. Let's understand this with an example. In this example, we will learn how to create a dictionary from a list using dictionary comprehension. Suppose we have a list of words which contain certain string elements. Now we want to create a dictionary from this list where keys in dictionary should be the strings from the list, and each key in dictionary should have an integer value associated with it. Now this value is the number of characters in the string. Like here, string high contains only 2 characters, so the value associated with key high is 2. Similarly here, the key this contains 4 characters, so the value associated with key this is 4. So a dictionary will have strings and values as key value pairs. In each key value pair, the value contains the number of characters in the string, and the keys should be from the list of strings. Now let's see how to create this dictionary from a list using dictionary comprehension. So this is the complete example. We have declared the list here. Now we want to create a dictionary from this list. For this we have used the dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension lies in curly braces. So we have written open and close curly braces here. Inside these curly braces, we will iterate over the list of strings using a for loop. During iteration, for each string element of the list, we will create a key value pair, where key is the string itself and the value is the length of the string. So in the first iteration, our string element will be high. So it will create a key value pair high, where high is the key and the value is 2, that is the length of string high, like this. In the second iteration of this for loop, our string is this, which will act as a key in the next key value pair, and its value will be length of this string, that is 4. So this is our second key value pair. Similarly, for the ith element in this list, we will get that element in this variable word, and we will create ith key value pair for the dictionary using this string variable. So for each element from the list, we will create a key value pair, and this dictionary comprehension will put all these key value pairs in a dictionary and return that. If we print the dictionary, the output will be like this. it contains key value pairs where key is a string from list and its corresponding value is the size of the string element. So this is how we can create a dictionary from a list using a dictionary comprehension. Let's see another example. This example is similar to previous one. We have a list of strings. Now we are going to create a dictionary from this list of strings where each key has a value 1 associated with it. We have used dictionary comprehension here. These are the open and close curly braces. Inside the dictionary comprehension, we will iterate over the list of strings, and for each string in the list, we will create a key value pair where key will be the corresponding string from the list and value will be 1 always. So it will generate 6 key value pairs because there are 6 elements in the list, and return a dictionary containing these 6 key value pairs. So the main difference between this example and the previous example is that in the values expression we used a hard-coded value, that is 1, whereas in the previous example we used an expression where we were using the string element from the sequence. So we saw 2 examples where we created a dictionary from a list using the dictionary comprehension. Let's move to another example. Here we have 2 lists. First list contains certain strings and the second list is of the same size as the first list, but it contains certain numbers. We can consider first list as words and second list as a frequency count of this word in some text. Now we want to create a dictionary from these 2 lists like this, where each key value pair should contain 1 element from both the lists. Like the ith element in this dictionary should contain the ith string from the first list and ith integer from the second list. Now for this we will use a dictionary comprehension. We have marked open and close braces here. Now inside this dictionary comprehension we will iterate over a sequence of key value pairs. Now how we will get this sequence of key value pairs? That we will get using the zip function. Inside the zip function of Python, we will pass both the list as argument. It will give us an iterable sequence of key value pairs, where each pair contains an element from first list and other element from the second list. So zip function will return an iterable sequence of key value pairs like this. High and 11 will be the first entry in this sequence, and the second entry will be this and 34. So zip function will return us a sequence of key value pairs, and the ith key value pair will contain the ith string from the first list and the ith value from the second list. Now we will iterate over this iterable sequence using a for loop inside the dictionary comprehension, and for each key value pair we will fetch the value in separate variables, that is key and value. Important point is we are fetching both the values in separate variables, key and value. Now during iteration we will use the key expression and value expression to create a key value pair inside the dictionary comprehension. Here we will directly use the same variables, key and value. So the dictionary comprehension will return a dictionary here which contains the key value pairs from these 2 lists. Keys will be string from the first list and value will be the integer from the second list. So this is how we can join 2 lists to create a dictionary using dictionary comprehension. Now as we said earlier that we can use dictionary comprehension with any sequence. Now that sequence can be another dictionary too. Let's see this example. Here we have a dictionary which contains certain strings as the keys and value is a hard-coded integer value 1. Now we want to change this dictionary. We want to increment each value by 5. For that, we will use a dictionary comprehension. Inside the dictionary comprehension, we can iterate over a sequence. From a dictionary, we can get a iterable sequence of key value pair using the items member function. So inside the dictionary comprehension, we will call the items member function of dictionary. It will return us a iterable sequence of key value pairs. Then using a for loop, we can iterate over this iterable sequence of key value pairs. And for each pair, we will construct a key value pair using the key and value expression. In the key expression, we can write key directly because our key will remain same as the original dictionary. But in the value expression, we will add 5 in the value because we wanted to increment the value of each key value pair by 5. So this dictionary comprehension will iterate over all the key value pairs of the dictionary, and for each key value pair, it will store the values in key and value, and then in the key and value expression, we incremented the value by 5. So it will return a new dictionary where each value will be 6 in each key value pair in the dictionary. So this is how we can use the dictionary comprehension in Python to create a dictionary from an iterable sequence. Thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, then please press the like button and do subscribe to our channel.